Hello, this is Martin at PRS Home Water Damage Services. It is November 15, 2012. We're responding to a home water damage situation here in San Diego County. It's a condominium complex, water heater room. Basically what happened here was a supply line pinhole leak in this wall that has caused flooding in this laundry room. You can see the water staining on the drywall here, down there, and here. You could also see the water staining coming down the wall here. The affected areas are this was all wet here. It's dry now, but we do have these wet walls, which also have wet hardy backer that we need to dry out. We have wet walls here. We're using the hydro sensor too to map out the moisture, so we're probably going to be removing small portions of the drywall here, in order to dry out these affected areas. We're going to remove drywall, remove insulation, treat the exposed framing and wall cavity with mildicide or germicide, and we're going to set drying equipment here. We're going to contain this water heater with the barrier so that we can have air movement without blowing out the pilot, which is the danger in these situations. But basically you could tell that there's water damage here because of the visible water staining here. This was removed by the plumbing company. You can see the visible water staining here, visible water staining down here at the bottom of the wall, and here, and down here. So the areas are wet, so we will be treating these affected areas. Another affected area is the master bathroom. We'll be inspecting that right now. We have one wet area here in the closet, back down in the corner of the closet here. There is moisture. We're going to just remove baseboard and set drying equipment there. Also in the bathroom here, the walls are wet, approximately 6 inches high. So we will be removing the baseboards here. We should be able to dry it without removing any drywall inside. Also, the bathroom here is also wet. An area of concern is this newly remodeled bath tile surround. The problem here is that the water came down this ceiling and it came behind these areas. As you can see, this is all wet. So in order for us to effectively remediate and mitigate damages and prevent mold, we need to remove these tiles on this exterior wall, because we can't dry inside the wall without being able to force air inside the wall. So we will be using a diamond tipped cut-off tool grinder that will cut away the tile perimeter, and we'll be removing and remediating this area. We'll also be once again removing the baseboards, treating the affected areas, protecting the floors obviously with floor protection. We'll also be removing some drywall, setting some drying equipment, treating the exposed framing. This is Martin at PRS Home Water Damage Services in San Diego. It's November 15, 2012.